Hello guys, good morning. My name is Waldirio,
Hi, my name is Marcelle.
and today we are here to introduce you this amazing project called PDF Plus, which the main idea is
Combine PDF files.
amazing. So today is December 10th, 2025, and don't miss it. Let's cut to the video.
Let's go.
Let's start by the beginning. This is part of this CS50P program, basically Introduction to Programming with Python. I will leave this link at the bottom down the description. You can take a look. Basically, you can find our GitHubs here as well. The user and the project, me and my partner and wife, Marcelle, as well. We work on this project together. And in this page, you'll be able to see all the information about this project, all the description, the classes, the methods, all the explanation. And as a bonus to you guys, check this out. You can deploy this using a Python virtual environment. So you can follow those steps over here and just execute this in your local machine. Or this is a bonus time. You can also use container. That's right. So there is this container over here. You can click on PDF Plus. And basically, if you're using Docker, that's okay. If you're using Podman, as I am, that's also okay. We can copy this command over here. I'm gonna be quick. This is basically a Podman PS running in the background. If we paste, assuming that you have Docker, this should do all the trick, should do everything. This is gonna pull the image and will keep in your local disk. If I run podman image, you can see that I have no image at this moment. So what I'm gonna do is execute this command. Basically, I'm using podman, as we can see over here. This is gonna run in the background. This is gonna delete this image in case I close this one. The name will be PDF Plus, which is amazing product. We can see that we are redirecting the ports. This is external port. I will be accessing this one via port 5000, and internally this container is spinning up on port 5000. And this is the path, public path, by the way, just to download this image. So if you have a Linux box in your side, feel free to go on and copy and paste this command. This is gonna deploy the application in your machine as well. While this one is running, let me show you. I can see here 3 different files. So this is my first file. You can see 6 pages. Okay, code 0 up to code 5. I have my second file, which has just 1 page. And I have the third one, which is only 1 file. And I'm so proud of that. So the main goal is, can we combine all of them together in a single file? Yes, this is the main idea of this project. Once we have the image here up and running, we can see that our container, it is already up and running, listening on my local interface on port 5000. I know that my IP address is this one. I will copy and paste, and the port is 5000. And there we go. This is the application. So basically, you can click on About and you can get some information over here. If you click on PDF Plus, you can come to the first page. We split this in some sections. Upload files, we'll upload the files. File list is gonna list the list of files that got uploaded. And then you can just follow the flow. Click on merge, this is gonna merge the files. Click on download, this is gonna allow you to download the files. And eventually you can delete the files from your external container or virtual environments. So let's give it a shot. I will pick just one and then upload file. You can see that I have just 1 file over here. This is the file name. Okay, let me pick more files. I can pick more than one in a single shot. So 2 files, upload files, and then we can see 3 files. Can I change the order? Not yet, my friend. This will be a new feature soon. So let's click on merge files. You can see over here that download is disabled, but delete files is enabled because we have already files over there. So let's merge. There you go. Now we can see downloads. Are you ready? So let's click over there. This is gonna ask, would you like to save? Yes. And this will be the file name, alt-basic. So let me click on keep. I will open, and then we can see this is code 0 up to code 5. And then after that, we can see that factorial.py. And then we can see the certificate as well. If we go to the file manager, let me go one level up. This is the file, and we can open this with Acrobat Reader as well. From here, we can see code 0 and then 1, 2. We know that it is up to 5. This is the last page of that document. This is the next PDF document. And this is the certificate. All of them combined in a single file as you wish. At the end of the day, if you would like to remove all those files because they are still here, if we just refresh this page, you can see they will be here. You can just click on delete files and there you go. There is no more files in this specific application. So if you enjoy, don't forget to smash that star button. Also, feel free to send us some issues in this link over here. And that's it for today. Thank you for your time and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.